If you don't have room in your studio to store a 6-foot draw bench or a board with a trailer winch on it that's 6 foot, you might consider just getting a little piece of plywood and mounting your trailer winch like I did here. I can easily take this on and off my bench, and it's easy to store. This trailer winch has a left or right side handle, which makes it convenient, and the Harbor Freight workbench comes with a nice vise on the end. The Harbor Freight workbench is about $120, and I think I paid $70 for the boat winch because I wanted the option between the left and right. And I also bought a pair of cheap economy tongs from Auto Fry with the two ends bent up, and they work great. So anyway, that's my setup. And you simply just give it a crank and it pulls your tubes or wire right through. So this whole setup, including the workbench, which comes with the vise, was only just a little bit over $200. Thank you to Jason Chandler from Portland Jewelry School who gave me the idea. For more free videos, please visit my website at lesliekalevillarreal.com. I have online tutorials and online classes. Thanks for watching.